Today I want to show you some designs of the crochet designer Amigurumi Barmy. I've already found my favorites. Let's see if you can find yours. Let's go. Amigurumi Crochet. In this video we're going to shine the spotlight on a crochet designer, and today that designer is Amigurumi Barmy. And these are some of my favorites. She sort of specializes in type of Avengers and Groot and all those Marvel and other big buster, big studio pictures, but also some lovely homeware and animals and stuff. So let's take a look at my favorites. Well, all the Avengers and Guardians of the Galaxy, I think these are little amigurumi dolls for you can make for all those fans of these big I can't even pronounce that, big blockbuster. That's the word. Goodness. I love little Captain America. He is adorable. Now, well, here you have another one. It's not that small. In fact, quite larger than I thought it would be. I love the lovely big eyes. Spider-Man and all other stuff. I haven't seen all these movies, I have to admit, but Hulk and Thor, and some of them I recognize and some I don't. So also she has some crochet patterns for food, and they're all very smiley, happy food from the look of it, and that looks absolutely scrumptious. Some little macaron. And here's Groot. He's a happy little fella. If you give him a wire skeleton, he can actually raise his hand like that. So it's very cool. I love this glove. This is, I think this is the glove of, what's his face? Robert Downey Jr.'s character. What is it called? Iron Man. That's, sorry. It's so cool. You can actually wear this thing. How cool is that? You can make them into a pair and just wear them as regular gloves this winter when you go snow shoveling or do other chores. How cool is that? It's so cool. And just add some special effects and you have your own Christmas card there. It's so cool. Absolutely, it's fine. Fun. Little Niffler there from Harry Potter's or the Fantastic Beasts series. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. Don't you just want to make one for yourself? And every other Harry Potter, he even made the little coins in the little pockets that he steals those little shiny coins. These are called the Power Rangers. This is sort of not my thing, but they are quite cute. And great yarn stash buster if you have a little bit of yarn extra. As is this one, by the way, a nice teapot cozy. They have a nice little matryoshka pattern there, or strawberry if you're thus inclined. And this is her pièce de résistance. This is the glove of Thanos. I think it's called the Infinity Glove or something. I don't know, with the jewels and the stones and the complex pattern. It's absolutely fun. It's so much fun. Look at this. It's so much detail. And if you're into cosplay, this is very cool. If you're not into cosplay, this is very nice and warm for winter. And guaranteed no one has it. So let's take a look at, these are some of my favorites, but let's take a look at her shop. So she's called Amigurumi Barmy. She's located in York in Britain. And her name is Liz Ward, shop owner. And she has quite a lot of sales and favorites, and rightly so. So she has animals. They're not very special. I think her expertise shines through in the patterns for dolls and holidays. And you can see some Infinity Gauntlet. That's what it's called. Goodness gracious. So you can check out some of the stuff that is in these are the dolls. So a lot of the Avengers and the other stuff. Little baby Groot. Rocket the Raccoon. Let's go down. Oh, that's it. There's some more there, but I want to go to holidays because I haven't shown a lot of those. Those are little ornaments you can hang in your tree or give away as a present or use as a gift tag. There's a little nativity scene there. Let's take a look. All these little miniature micro crochet stuff is adorable. Look at this little sprout. How cool is that? And yeah, it's very sweet. Lucky cats, that's a great idea. Little elf, little ghost. There's something for everything. Mostly Christmas though, from the looks of it. Let's take a look at the next one. Oh, there's not much left. So I will show you some animals that, but you know, fat monkeys. There are some cute ones, but they're not jumping out at me as very special. But I love her. I love her Marvel work, I suppose. I think those gauntlets, those gloves are fantastic. But if you're more into cutesy little creatures, that's fine too. She has something for everyone. So her name is, the name of the shop is Amigurumi Barmy, and the link, of course, is below in the description. Check her out, and I wish you happy crocheting. Oh, I see a bench. Oh, you can sit down. How gorgeous is this, right? I mean, come on. Beautiful.